first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 3, Day 1. Listen as I say a word, bit. I hear I in the middle of bit. Listen, it. Now listen as I say another word, bite. Bite has I in the middle. Listen, bite. Listen as I say both words. I'll clap when I hear the is sound in the middle. Bit, bite. Bit has the is sound, so I clapped when I said bit. I'm going to say some more words. Clap if the word has the is sound in the middle. Hit, hat. Hit, hat. Set, sit. Set, sit. Bit, bike. Bit, bike. Tub, tib. Tub, tib. Max, mix. Max, mix. Fin, fine. Fin, fine. Light, lit. Light, lit. Kit, coat. Kit, coat. Okay, friends, we are working on L blends this week. So I'm going to teach you a little chant that I teach my first graders. So P-L, P-L, pull, pull, pull. Please play, pull, pull, pull. And then when we get here, we're just going to do pull, 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 pull. Okay, next one. C-L, C-L, coal, coal, coal. Clippity climb, coal, coal, coal. So then we go here. Let's make those sounds. Coal, 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 coal. Here's our next L blend. B-L, B-L, bowl, bowl, bowl. Black and blue, bowl, bowl, bowl. Okay, let's make the blend. Bowl, 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 bowl. F-L, F-L, full, full, full. Flippity flop, full, full, full. Here we have it again. Full, 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 full. Okay, here we have two more blends, then we're done. G-L, G-L, goal, goal, goal. Globby glue, goal, goal, goal. Here we go. Goal, 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 goal. S-L, S-L, soul, soul, soul. Slip and slide, soul, soul, soul. Here we go. Soul, 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 soul. Okay, friends, I'm going to be helping you a lot today, but you want to get those L blends in your head. So C-L, C-L, coal, coal. Okay, blend. Clip. Word, clip. So you'll see we have 4 sounds, and we put them together to say clip. Okay, G-L, G-L, goal, goal, goal. So the 2 sounds here are glass. Word, glass. And you'll notice glass has double S, but we only say 1 sound for S. S-L, S-L, soul, 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 slip and slide. Okay, slick. Word, slick. Okay, F-L, F-L, full, full, full. Flippity flop, flippity flop. Okay, let's do that. Flat. Word, flat. B-L, B-L, bull, 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 black and blue. So here we go. Blab. Word is blab. Blab means, so blab means to talk a lot, or tell something you're not supposed to. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, bowl. 3, 2, 1, goal. 3, 2, 1, pull. 3, 2, 1, coal. 3, 2, 1, full. 3, 2, 1, soul. And what you'll notice about each one of these, they have a ul sound. We're sticking 2 sounds together, and they come together, but they still say their own sound. So ul says bowl. These are L blends. Okay, let's keep going. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. If. 3, 2, 1. And last one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is bull. Turn your voices on. Black. Word, black. Okay. G-L, G-L, gull. Glad. Word, glad. Okay. Plan. Okay, this is clippity climb, coal. Okay, here we go. Class. Word, class. Okay, here's full. Full. It. Word, flip. Okay, here's soul. S-L. Soul, like slip and slide. Slip. Oh, slip. Okay. There's clippity climb again. Coal. Turn your voice on. Clack. Clap. Okay, let's do another one. SL says soul, like slip and slide. Slack. Word, slack. Oh, and this time they did all of them for us. So let's do this together. Coal, clippity climb. Cliff. Word is cliff. SL is slip and slide. Slim. Word, slim. Oops. Oh, here it is. Oh, here we go, friends. Sorry. If. Word, cliff. Solid. Word, slim. Bullet. Word, blip. Flag. Word, flag. Okay. Okay, this time I'm going to let you make the sounds. 3, 2, 1, lap. This time I'll help you. Clap. Blend, clap. And the only thing that changed is we put a C in front. Okay, you go ahead and do this one in your head. Blend. Word, lick. Now we have coal this time. We added a K to the front. Let's blend this together. Click. Word, clip. Your turn. Clippity climb. Think in your. Go ahead and make those sounds. Coal. Sound. Sound. Word, clam. Okay, we'll do this one together. Oh, there's an L blend. Slam. Word, slam. Okay, your turn. This is globby glue. Goal. Blend. Blend. Word, glass. Okay, let's do this one together. Can't blend yet. Now blend. Kiss. Word, kiss. That's a spelling word that we've done. Okay, here we go. Do it in your head if you can. 3, 2, 1. Word, fix. Okay, in your head if you can, or make the sounds. 3, 2, 1. Back. Okay, this is please play. P-L, pull. Let's do this one together. Plan. Word, plan. Oh, plans. Okay, this is clippity climb. Coal. Clap. Word, clap. Oh, claps. Claps. Okay, we know this is either a name or the beginning of a sentence or both. So let's read this. Jim. This is a name. This is the name of a boy, and the name is Jim. Okay, so Jim sits in class. Now let's read it fluently. Jim sits in class. Do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space? Yes. Do we have spelling? Yes. Good handwriting? Yes. End mark? And my end mark is 3, 2, 1, period. That's a 5-star sentence. Okay, here's our next sentence. The black flag. The black flag flaps. So that means it's like flapping in the wind. Let's read it fluently. The black flag flaps. We have a uppercase, yes. We have a capital. We have our finger space. We have an end mark. Think in your head, what's the end mark? 3, 2, 1, period. We have spelling and handwriting. Okay? Here's our next sentence. The pig flips and flops. That's a funny sentence. Let's read it again. The pig flips and flops. Do we have a capital? Yes. Do we have finger space? Yes. Do we have handwriting? Yes. Do we have spelling? Yes. Do we have an end mark? Yes. Think in your head, what's the end mark? 3, 2, 1, period. Okay, here are our high frequency words. This is the word bee. Say the word with me. Bee. The word bee is spelled B-E. Spell the word with me. B-E. The word, let's write it in the air. B-E. And this says, there will be 10 children at the party. Okay, this is the word come. Read the word with me. Come. The word come is spelled C-O-M-E. Spell it with me. C-O-M-E. Let's write it in the air. C-O-M-E. This says, will you come to the store with me? This is the word good. Say the word with me. Good. The word good is spelled G-O-O-D. Spell the word with me. G-O-O-D. Let's write it in the air. G-O-O-D. The food at the restaurant was really good. Okay, this is the word pull. Read the word with me. Pull. The word pull is spelled P-U-L-L. Spell the word with me. P-U-L-L. Let's write it in the air. P-U-L-L. And it says, if you pull too hard, it will break. Okay, so here is our story for today. Here we go. We like it. Let's do it again. We like it. Now we're going to read some words. You'll see. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. We. 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. Like. 3, 2, 1. 2. Okay, here we go. Okay, we like it. Now let's do it one more time together. We like it. Now I'm going to let you go first, okay? You get to go first. Mike, now we'll do it together. We like school. Okay, your turn. Now we'll do it together. We sit at school. Look at what the boy's doing. Looks like he's sipping a drink. Okay, now your turn. Okay, now we'll do it together. We like to sip at school. So he likes to drink his milk, right? Okay, here's the next one. What are they doing? This looks like tip. Okay, go ahead and read it. Now we'll read it together. We can tip at school. It looks like they're putting water into that volcano. Okay, here is our last one. I'm going to let you go first. Now together, we like it. Nice job, friends. I'll see you